Okay, so you've got the patterns lined up.
As much as I can. Yeah.
Okay, good. Put the bolts back in the middle
The bolt.
and run it back down 1 umph because you're only doing a rubber gasket. You're not doing a pipe thread.
Now, in better times, we're not replacing that gasket.
The gasket looked wonderful, so I don't see a need to
No need to
replace
do the
it.
gasket. If we did, would we use liquid gasket?
No, I would use that brand new gasket that you
Okay, and
have.
that's it. You wouldn't put any kind of.
I wouldn't see a need to put gasket maker material because the
How many
edges. That's good right there. That's good. Put your zinc back in it. We'll start the engine up. Make sure we don't have any water leaks.
Hey, you check zincs once a month, right?
Maybe every 3 months. And depending upon what's happening with the zincs inside the engine, that could be an indicator what's happening to the zincs on the propellers and the rudders.
So they tend to be in good shape. Or how about vice versa? If the diver comes and says, "Hal, you're going to zincs once a month," or whatever.
Then you've got a problem that
Then-
changing the zincs won't solve it. You have an electrical problem, either from your boat, the marina, or a neighboring boat to
And
you.
that's it.
Okay, so let's just crank this guy back up and see if we have any water leaks, and we'll be done. That was easy.
Yes, sir.